Terry Henry, founder of terryhenrymarketing.com. Typically, I'm marketing restaurants, but this time I'm the one in the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to make shrimp with feta and roasted tomatoes today. We're going to start with 6 or 7 tomatoes, beautiful vine-ripened tomatoes that I've chopped into 6, 8 wedges, something like that. We're going to dump them right into our baking pan. We've got about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin, beautiful olive oil that we're going to drizzle them with. About a tablespoon of minced garlic, more or less as your flavor demands. And then we've got a little bit of sea salt and a little bit of freshly ground pepper. Now we're going to toss these up, make sure the oil and the garlic covers all the tomatoes. And the first step of this is to put it in a 450-degree oven for right about 20 minutes. And you want to put it on the top rack so you get a true roasted tomato. Okay, so we've roasted our tomatoes. They look gorgeous. We're going to add 1.5 pounds of medium or large shrimp. Again, that's your call, whatever you would like. A little lemon juice, just to brighten up the dish a bit. A little parsley. Give it some color. And we're going to just kind of toss this around with the tomatoes. And now you're going to sprinkle a cup or so of feta cheese on top. We're putting it back into a 450-degree oven for another 15 minutes. And here you have it, our shrimp with feta and roasted tomatoes. Perfect for a dinner party. It's always a hit. People love it. This is Terry Henry, founder of terryhenrymarketing.com. Thanks for cooking with me today.